What if I told you this simple habit could shock your stomach in seconds? You drink a protein shake on an empty stomach. It rushes down your throat fast. No food, no buffer, just pure protein hitting your stomach all at once. Within seconds, your stomach acid spikes, firing up to break it down aggressively. The liquid starts changing, thickening, and turning dense and heavy. Inside, powerful enzymes activate, breaking protein into amino acids rapidly. Because your stomach is empty, nothing slows it down. Absorption speeds up fast. Your blood amino acids surge and your body reacts instantly. Muscles switch on, triggering protein synthesis to begin repair and growth. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. That rapid digestion can overwhelm your system. For some people, it leads to bloating, nausea, or a heavy, uncomfortable feeling. Especially if your stomach is sensitive or not used to high protein loads. And if the shake is too thick, digestion can feel even slower and heavier. So yes, it can support muscle growth, but your body might not like how fast it hits all at once. A simple fix? Pair it with food, slow things down, and make digestion smoother. Watch the video on what happens when you drink milk.